It's not a new rule for Van Buren High School, but the superintendent tells me the new law will help them enforce the cell phone policy district-wide.
Our policy hasn't changed a whole lot, but I think our enforcement's going to be. We really want to make sure that our staff and our students have a phone-free zone during instructional time.
For Van Buren County students, phones must be put away during class, either in their bags or their lockers. First-time offenders will get a warning and a trip to the front office after school to pick up their confiscated device. For repeat rule breakers, though, it'll be on parents to get their kid's phone. And there will be consequences for teachers who don't enforce the policy.
If we hear that there's a teacher or a staff member that's allowing cell phone use during class, we're going to have those conversations, and it's going to be part of their evaluation process. So, I'm going to make sure I send that message loud and clear that we're in this together, and there's no cool teacher that gets to allow phones. It's not cool.
But it's also not a blanket ban, since some students may need their phones for medical reasons.
There's always exceptions to the rule, but there definitely has to be some type of medical reasoning, medical documentation, and if there is, then that's why we have modifications all the time, that we deal with, whether it's a learning modification or a health modification.
Now, Superintendent Hissem says those exceptions don't give students a free license to browse social media during class, but he's hoping they won't feel like they need to.
First of all, I'm hoping to see better engagement in classwork, and I'm hoping to see, students actually engage with their friends on a face-to-face level and having conversations and collaborating on their work, not worried about what's going on in the rest of the world.
Hissem says if there's ever an emergency, the school has policies in place to address them.